Take it easy. Take it easy. Relax. Relax. Go easy. Go easy. Give it a rest. Give it a rest. Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. Chill out. Chill out. Slow down. Slow down. Control yourself. Control yourself. Loosen up. Loosen up. Just drop it. Just drop it. Simmer down. Simmer down. Just let it go. Just let it go. Just take a deep breath. Just take a deep breath. Count to 10. Count to 10. Steady on. Steady on. Take a chill pill. Take a chill pill. How about a big hug? How about a big hug? Want to squeeze my hand? Want to squeeze my hand? Hold your horses. Hold your horses. Keep your shirt on. Keep your shirt on. If you're feeling sad, you can tell me about it. If you're feeling sad, you can tell me about it. I see that you're having a difficult time. Let me help you. I see that you're having a difficult time. Let me help you. Thank you for watching. See you next video.